Hi and welcome to this video on how to create a tooltip. So we have got a dashboard here that is looking at backlog analysis, work order backlog analysis. It's got some work order hours, it's got the number of work orders in backlog and some other information. Now if you want to understand how to build this dashboard, I've got a step-by-step free course. I'll leave a link below the video that you can sign up to and I'll talk you through exactly how to build this course. But one of the things I'd like to concentrate here on is creating a tooltip. So you can see here we've got the work order by priority. We've got it by the age of the work order, how long it's been in backlog. And we can see the safety, environmental, production and routine work along the top here. We've also got the number of hours for each of the departments and the actual disciplines or the crafts. And we can see here that this is the mechanical maintenance department. Or mechanical craft under the maintenance department is by far the largest. One thing I'd like to add is an indication or a report that shows how much of the work is preventative versus corrective. So what is the work type? So to do that, we're going to add in a tooltip. So the first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to add a new page, and this page is going to be called Backlog by Work Tooltip. In fact, we'll start with tooltip and we'll call this backlog by WT. And then we're going to add in a new cluster chart here. And we're going to add the hours. We're going to add the hours. So we'll add hours as the value in the field there. And then we're going to add in the work type as the axis. So here we have it. We've got our backlog by work type. And the next thing we're going to do is we're just going to knock that in, push that into the corner there. Next thing we're going to do is just colour that. So we're going to use the same colour that we use for some of the graphs on the main page. So data colour, and we're going to choose this colour here. And then we're going to add some values. So we're going to switch the data labels to on, and I'm quite happy with that. Okay, so at the moment there's no filters on this page, so this is all of the hours in backlog by work type across, which is in the report. So the next thing we need to do is we need to configure this page as a tooltip. So click on a part of the page and we go to Format, and then we go to Page Information, and there's a little slider here. We'll slide that to on. So now this page is available as a tooltip. The next thing we're going to do is we're going to select the size, and we're going to go to the tooltip size here. Now we can see it has shrunk the page, but the current view is of the page fit to page. So we're going to look at the actual size. So that's going to be the size of the tooltip we're going to see. So that's fine. We could configure these axes, but for now we are just going to leave them as they are. So I will just play about with this a little bit to make sure that it fits in nicely. Perfect. Okay, so now we're going to go back to our home page, and we're going to add the tooltip onto this matrix. So we select the matrix and we go to the format, and then we go down to tooltip. Make sure that's on, and make sure this is set to report page. And in here we're going to select the tooltip backlog by work type. And then when we hover across here, we can see each of these values here. We can see the split between PM, projects, and we can see, for example here, the integrity work is mostly corrective. This one here, so of the 8,046 hours, most of that is going to be CM, which is corrective maintenance. Okay, so really straightforward, really simple, but it looks really impressive and really useful in a report to be able to hover over a value and see a graph or additional information related to that value. Thanks for listening, and I'll talk to you in the next video.